In the following video, I'm gonna teach you how to prove that the derivative of Cosh x equals Sinh x. Okay, so the way we do it is we change the form of Cosh x. So we're gonna do d dx of Cosh x is gonna be e to the x plus e to the minus x all over 2. Okay, now we're gonna split it up, so that becomes d dx of e to the x over 2 plus e to the minus x over 2. Okay, now we take the derivative of each term. So the derivative of the first term is gonna be equal to 1/2 e to the x. Then the derivative of the second term, remember the power, we need to bring down the -1, so that will be minus e to the minus x, then over 2. Then we combine back terms, so that will be e to the x minus e to the minus x over 2 after combining the like fractions. And that here is, as we know, sinh of x, which is what we were after. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.